How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 72 GMC Suburban. It's a 3-door Suburban, half-ton. It's done in a super slick laser blue base coat, clear coat. Super nice, solid Arizona truck. Very, very nicely done. The grill looks like new and the bumpers have been replaced on it. All the chrome on the truck's really nice. It's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got a 2.5-inch drop all the way around. It's got the drop spindles up front. Got the tailgate instead of the barn doors, which is really nice. Tell you, all the paintwork on the truck's very, very nice. It's been done about 5-6 years. Still looks like it was just done. It's got your factory power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got factory front and rear air and heat. The original motor's been replaced with a GM Crate 350 Vortec with aluminum heads. Very, very nicely done. Everything in it works. Truck drives great. Got 20-inch Boyd Coddington wheels. It's got a 700R4 overdrive trans with lockup converter. See all the jams, real nice. It's got your two-tone blue and gray interior. Headliner's all real nice. You see the rear air setup. Got nicely updated with digital gauges in it. It's got factory tilt wheel. Nice set of custom buckets with the center armrest, which is also the third buddy seat in the front. Got seat belts for all. And this is a rare third row seating. Got all tinted glass. Got the factory spare. There's a really, really clean, looks to be mostly all the original body panels on the truck. They say you come out of Arizona, so it's a very clean truck to start with. And they did all 3 rows seating with seat belts. It's got direct fit aftermarket stereo system with the IPOD capability and everything. Front and rear speakers. Tell you, it's very nice. Front seats are also reclining. Runs perfect. Hard to beat them GM Crate motors. A nice dual exhaust system all the way out the back. Backup lights work. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Not real loud or nothing. So you can tow your camper with this, your boat, enjoy it. Go to your car shows. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.